we're just gonna have to deal with that. What's up, friggin' world? Welcome back to another Stay Fresh production. Today, this is a little lo-fi video I'm doing.
Lo-fi video? How about this lo-fi hairstyle you got going on right now? Boy, you need a haircut. Now, listen, this is future Justin, and obviously, because I am also Justin, at this moment in time, even while editing this video, I also need a haircut. But give me give us, me and the Justin you're seeing now, give us a break. It's been quarantine. My barbershop has been closed. They're supposed to open up in a couple weeks. You have no idea how excited we are to chop this stuff off and have it looking clean again. So just bear with us for the time being. Bear with the lo-fi hairstyle. Anyway, moving on.
This fragrance is getting a little bit of buzz. I honestly didn't have any inclination to buy a bottle anytime soon. I was thinking about it maybe later. I know they've been sold out in this area anyway, but my friend Troy, if you're watching, what's up, man? Thank you. Troy was generous enough to gift me with his decant that he acquired. So he didn't have to do that, and he did it. So Troy, thank you. So I'm gonna unbox this package here, and we're gonna smell it on skin. Just, again, this is just first impressions, so not gonna be a full review, not gonna be, you know, the full scope of what I think of it, how it dries, how it lasts, all that. We're just first impressions here. Okay, so I'm not sure where Troy got this decant, but this is legitimate. This is cool. I've never seen a decant container like this. Okay, it's kind of like a little stock bottle. Interesting. I don't know where he got it, but this is cool. Makes it way more legit. Anyway, wasn't expecting that. I already getting some whiffs in the air, but can't really tell. Let's just put it on the hand here. Couple sprays, let it waft. Okay, it's already in the air. So if you didn't know, I should have said this to begin with. This is a fragrance by the house of Naughton & Wilson. It's called Gravitas Pour Homme, and this is spearheaded by the ever hilarious and witty MrSmelly1977 himself. If you're not familiar with his YouTube channel, it will be linked down below. I'll also link his brand, Naughton & Wilson, down below. Brand new, really exciting stuff. The bottle's gorgeous. I just don't have it to show you here. So let's just smell it here. Okay, so kind of what I was expecting in a sense. I was expecting a scent profile that reflects Dan Naughton. He does take a liking to much more vintage smelling fragrances, these more classic cologne style fougères and things like that. And this is in that realm for sure. This is citrus, aromatic. I'm getting lavender, I'm pretty sure. There's a mossy green feeling in the back, maybe from oak moss, but there's a smoothness to it. It's smooth. It's not super spicy. It's not super woody, at least not yet. It's smooth. It's kind of rich. It has a thickness to it. I know this is an extrait de parfum, so maybe that has something to do with that, but yeah, it reminds me of a mix of some kind of barbershop style fougères that I've smelled in the past. It reminds me a little bit of Pasha de Cartier, which is a classic. I'm getting a little bit of, you know, kind of like Tom Ford, Beau de Jour. Maybe even a tiny little bit of like Davidoff Zeno. Kind of getting this, again, this old school kind of 70s and 80s fragrance vibe. I can see how this is a very distinguished, very classy scent. This could be an everyday scent. If you are into more old school style fragrances, this could be a signature scent. If this is something you like, you could wear it to work, you could wear it just about anywhere. And I can tell that the performance on this is going to be decent. It does project. Again, I put it on my skin and I didn't even bring my hand up and it was already in the air. And it's probably going to last a good while, again, because it is an extrait. So, okay, good stuff. You know, I can't say that I absolutely love it. I mean, in general, I do like these kinds of fragrances and I have grown to like them more with time. It's not my favorite genre of scent by any means, but I can certainly appreciate it. think the perfumer here is John Stevens, who's a pretty accomplished perfumer. He's done a lot of stuff for Bodacia, the Victorious, probably saying that wrong. I think he even has his own brand maybe, but it's very good quality. It's easy on the nose. It's not stuffy. It's not too sharp. It's not alcohol-y. It's good quality. So yeah, I mean, I can get behind this. This is good stuff. I don't know if the brand itself has a way for customers to readily sample it without buying a bottle, at least just yet. Maybe that'll come at some point soon. Unless this came from them, I don't really know. Either way, they'll be linked down below if you want to check it out. Again, I think at the moment I'm shooting this, they have sold out for North America, and they're looking to get a new shipment in soon. So if you're looking to check it out and you're here in the States or in Canada, just wait a little while. I think maybe by June or July, by July maybe, I think they're supposed to be restocked. Anyway, those are my first impressions on Gravitas Pour Homme. Troy, thank you once again for letting me try this out. Good stuff. Thank you so much for tuning in. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.